Here are some of the world's most powerful cars. We say supercars. One is the Red Bull RB19. Red Bull RB19 is the best Formula One car at this time. This car won 17 out of 22 races. The engine is Honda RPP TH00116 liters. It is a V8 turbocharged engine. Power 1080 horsepower. It is a supercar. The second one is Tesla Roadster. It has 1000 horsepower. The next one is Lamborghini Revuelto, 1001 horsepower. Tesla Model S Pride, 1020 horsepower. Mercedes AMG 1, 1063 horsepower. Hispano Suiza Carmen Borghini, 1114 horsepower. Aston Martin Valkyrie, 1160 horsepower. It has a V8 engine. It can achieve a maximum speed of 402 kilometers per hour. Neo EPQ 1341 horsepower. C Singer 21C 1350 horsepower. Cenevo DSR GT 1360 horsepower. Bugatti Chiron 1479 horsepower. These are supercars. We have Hyperion XP1 2000 horsepower. This is powered by hydrogen and it is a concept form, Lotus Evija 2000 horsepower. It is an electric vehicle, hypercar. These are some of the most powerful cars, supercars or hypercars. Deus Vayenne 2200 horsepower. It achieves 0 to 60 kilometers per hour of just under 2 seconds. Deus brands produce only 99 cars on sale date is 2025. A horsepower is defined as 33,000 foot-pounds of work per minute. Energy needed to displace 1 pound of matter 1 foot. This was discovered by James Watt, who coined the word horsepower in 1782. James Watt invented the steam engine. He came up with horsepower when mine owners asked him how many horses will steam engine replace. So he told them horsepower. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode.